Hello, we are here to do a tutorial for Map2Earn, the modern version of the Overthereality app. So you should go to Map2Earn section, and inside of the Map2Earn section you also go to Map2Earn. There you go to your location and just find out if your location is able to earn rewards. So after that you click in the location and start to map the land. So let's go. Then this will ask you to adjust the position, so you just try to point toward the floor. So here we know that we are in front of the cathedral, so we are looking towards there. So we will adjust the positions as we are looking there. And then we will put the middle of the hexagon where will be this pyramid. We will drop it here and start do a rotation. When we click here in start mapping, we do a rotation around the hexagonal pyramid. I recommend you to stop in each phase 1 second or 2 until you get the white dot and the green circle ready. It's very easy. Like this, when people is walking around you, you just stop, let the people cross, and then you continue. So that's why it's important, this step of stopping, like this. So the phone is able to take pictures everywhere. So now in phase 2, I recommend you first thing go inside of the pyramid you did and make the surrounding hexagons of the pyramid you did, and then so on. As you see, almost there are complete, so you can move a little bit further like this. So you are trying to face all the faces of the hexagons inside of the overland. Here an example. So you let the bicycle or the cars or whatever else pass through, so then you continue. So as you see also there, you are looking all the pictures the app is actually taking. So it's very intuitive. What is the work OVR is doing here? Is taking the data of the location, so then we can make a three-dimensional representation in a model. So a good map had to have between 300 and 500 pictures. Like this one is already a good map. So then that's an average. You can make it more. So 1000 pictures is also a very good map. So I recommend you make something like this. It's enough. So after this part we will go to the third phase, that should be like the edition of the video that we will get from the app. So let's get a few more pictures from here and there, and this is very good. So we finish here, we go to stop mapping and save. Sorry again that it's in Spanish. And then here in this section we can choose edit the video or not. You don't need this, not something that you need it, but it gives you your own touch, that your own personalization, how you want to show up the hexagon. One of the ways suit very much for me is doing it in this way. I will show you. I just take the scale and make it smaller. After that I pick one of the cameras and rotate that to outside, and then the other one in front of that one outside. So we have two cameras front, two cameras out. So then what you will have is a POV doing something like a circle in somehow. So this will be everything for now. We will save, and then we will see that in our maps, like here. Just give a sec, and then you will have here the option for upload the map. So that's it. So let's see when we have the map upload and we see the result. Thanks.